This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the correct band size and placement. This sets the behavior of every rep. First, wrap the band 1-2 times near the grip so tension begins at address. Once attached, make sure the band is flat and aligned with your swing plane. A twist changes feedback and can cause compensation. You'll feel a gentle pull. This is intentional. Keep your wrist neutral and shoulders relaxed, because early tension trains the connection, not brute force. Now you expand movement while keeping the connection. Start with slow, half swings, about 8 to 12 reps so your body learns the sequence. As you move, pay attention to hip rotation driving the turn and the lead shoulder following. This is why the band exists, to give immediate tactile feedback if your arms detach. Once the sequence feels consistent, lengthen the swing incrementally. If you rush to full speed, you'll reintroduce disconnection. Progress deliberately. And to finish, transition to full swings while holding the same tempo so the learned connection transfers under speed. You should finish balanced, hands slightly ahead, and the band relaxed. This shows synchronized release. If you feel sharp tugging or the band yanks your wrists, stop and adjust. Ready with fewer loops, move attachment slightly toward the club head or shorten your swing to remove excess direction change. Finally, record a few reps. Watching helps you spot lingering disconnection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.